Hi, I'm Erin, the author of the Coping with Depression blog on HealthyPlace.com. I'm 29 years old, and for the majority of my 20s and late teens, I have been extremely depressed. When most of my friends went off to university to pursue their careers and lifetime goals, I was in the hospital, I was in therapy, I was trying to find the right medication. Depression has taken a huge chunk of my life and taken it away from me. And for a long time, I hated myself for it, and I hated depression, like we all do. Nobody wants to have it, but we do. And one of the only things that has helped me survive this long is trying to take some control back into my life by not seeing depression as an entirely negative experience. Yes, it's awful, but only once I began to give myself credit for surviving did I feel confident enough to pursue anything in my life at all. So, after a significant amount of treatment, I realized that depression is common and that other people might need help dealing with it outside of myself. And so I took a big step and I started to volunteer at an organization that was focused on youth mental health. And suddenly I was sitting at a table having an interview with these people and telling them, no, I didn't go to university. No, I'm not your out of the box, perfect teen with a resume and jobs coming out my ears and having everything work out like it's supposed to in all the movies. I was saying, this is what I have. I have depression and I have treatment under my belt and I have experience under my belt. And I can tell other people how I've gotten here, how I've survived this long. And it's a tool, it's an asset to your corporation, to the youth you try to reach, to anybody who knows anyone who's suffering from depression. And so I'm not going to pretend that this is what I've always wanted to do with my life. I never thought I'd be a mental health activist. I never thought mental health would be something that I knew a lot about or wanted to educate people about. Instead, it's become something I was forced to deal with. And eventually, when they say, if you can't beat them, join them, that's what I did. I looked my depression in the face and I said, you can't have everything. So you know what? I'm going to take some wisdom from this. I'm going to take some experience from this. And I'm going to turn it into the best life that I can. So I really recommend starting small if you can, but start giving yourself credit for living with depression. And soon you can see yourself as a survivor. And as soon as you can do that, you can help other people. And it's a powerful tool. It gives me hope every day and it keeps me going. There's no magical cure for depression, but giving yourself credit and speaking up to help other people can really give you a goal, a focus, and help you get some control back in your life.